Hey, what's up, YouTube? Hey, it's Joel Torres with Heavy City Gym.
Yeah.
Joel and Hoover over here. We're about to get this
Sororo, you know what it is, right?
Stand by.
Hoover, Ricky Wayne, the mixtape. You feel me? Yeah. First, let me hop out the muff. Porsche, I don't want it if that air don't sit like a horse. I be ballin' on the got me feeling like sports. Dash got so much wood, I could build me a fort. Ain't too many things I ain't done yet. I'm the king of this shit. Crowned by the toilet. I'm just barely getting started. You already upset. Got a tiger as a pet. I just took him to the very homie. I been making hits. Time to rap Derek G to let you be ride on me like she was on the feeder. If you ain't good, then I probably won't feed her. Little homie, you can keep her, cause I really don't need her. I ain't worried about feet, so homeboy, use a pee on toilet seat air. Man, I swear you getting peed on. Man, my jury's so cold, I walk around with the heat on. My alarm clock set, just in case they wanna sleep on. Get in. I'm a full-time player, hopping out an alligator, sipping lean annihilator. Homie, I'll annihilate you. If you think you wanna battle, you gon' have to pay some paper. I just hit her and I quit her, I would never ever date her. It's the same how I'm barely getting love in the city. Travel to another town, you can bet they fucking with me. I be killing this shit, pray to God they forgive me. They say when you blow up, don't forgive me. Man, I've been on fire ever since they made the lighter. My boys will pull up on your homie, I ain't talking diapers. Walking to your function on point, I'm like a sniper. My girl bad like days low, so don't try. Flexing now you on, but homeboy, you ain't ready. 10 times sharper than Michael Marvin said it. Been about the money, I ain't worried about the fame. About to have everybody saying who is Ricky Wayne. That means yeah. Sororo, you know what it is, right? Hoover, Ricky Wayne, the mixtape. You feel me? Yeah. First, let me hop out the muff. Porsche, I don't want it if that air don't sit like a horse. I be ballin' on the got me feeling like sports. Dash got so much wood, I could build me a fort. Ain't too many things I ain't done yet. I'm the king of this shit. Crowned by the toilet. I'm just barely getting started. You already upset. Got a tiger as a pet. I just took him to the very homie. I been making hits. Time to rap Derek G to let you be ride on me like she was on the feeder. If you ain't good, then I probably won't feed her. Little homie, you can keep her, cause I really don't need her. I ain't worried about feet, so homeboy, use a pee on toilet seat air. Man, I swear you getting peed on. Man, my jury's so